Coffee. Hi everyone. Thought I'd just hop on and give you a quick demonstration of our solid moisturiser bars because not everyone's used one, not everyone's seen one, so I thought I'd show you what they're all about. When you get your bar, which looks like this, or the foot bar's round, it's in a compostable bag. This bag can be discarded, you can put it in your food recycling bin actually, and then it'll get composted down. So then you've got a naked bar which looks like this, and it's a solid block of butters, oils and waxes, and it's got beeswax in it, and the beeswax helps, one, keep it hard, and two, it's a really good ingredient for your skincare. So to use it, you just rub it over the surface of your skin. It'll leave a beautiful scent and it'll leave you really, really soft. You can use it obviously on your body, on your feet. You can also use it on your face. If you just do that and just put a little bit on your face like so. Use it to tame ends of frizzy hair. It's great on curly hair. Don't put too much on or you will end up like a grease ball, but it's really good for taming the ends of your hair as well. 100% natural, all the fragrances are essential oils and natural as well. We've got a range on the website of different scents to suit your personal taste. It's a really, really lovely product and customers buy them over and over again. So once you've unwrapped it and you've got your bar like that, you can either keep it in a tin. We sell these tins, but any old tin will do. You can keep it in that. But I keep mine on a little saucer. As long as you don't keep it on wood, because the oils will soak into the wood and it'll be a bit messy. But if you keep it on something pottery or crockery or on in a tin, if you want to travel, whack it in a tin, take it with you. So you don't need any plastic bottles for your moisturisers, and they're all 100% natural ingredients. Every single ingredient is listed underneath each product on our website for your safety and so that you can see what's in your products exactly. So if you fancy trying one, I'm going to put the link below the video. Have a look at them. If you've got any questions, just send me a message and I'll always answer customers. So let me know what you think if you try one. We're very interested to know what you think, and we hope you enjoy them. I'll carry on with my coffee now. Thanks, bye.